Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel, International Yankee English. Today is the first of 12 videos for the 12 days of Christmas. I asked on Instagram what kind of content you want to see, and there was a 50-50 tie between vocabulary and pronunciation and behind-the-scenes teacher content. I will put the behind-the-scenes content on Instagram, and I will do vocabulary and pronunciation here on YouTube. I will stick to vocabulary that is connected to Christmas. So for today's word, video number 1, we will do the word reindeer. Reindeer. A reindeer is a kind of deer that lives generally in colder climates. There isn't a big difference between reindeer and deer. I will show 2 different pictures. A famous kind of deer is from the book Bambi, and a famous reindeer is Rudolph. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You may have heard that song. The reindeer are the deer that are pulling the sled from Santa Claus during Christmas time. He gets into a sled with all of his gifts and a bunch of reindeer. I think there's 8 total. They fly, and they fly him from house to house, and they pull the sleigh or the sled. So reindeer are basically native to Scandinavia, and they acclimate to colder climates, whereas deer can acclimate to more moderate climates. And both males and females for reindeer have antlers on their head. Their legs are a little different as well. Reindeer have thicker legs, and regular deer have thinner legs, and they're just much more common, and they're found in more places all over the world. So that is the vocabulary word for today, reindeer. And the connection to Christmas is that they pull the sled or the sleigh that Santa flies from house to house to when he brings children Christmas gifts on Christmas Eve. Now for pronunciation, you can check out in the description box. I have some videos about the R sound. You want to round your lips and make a nice round R. R, r, reindeer, reindeer. So the first part is like the word rain, the water that comes from the sky, just spelled differently. And the second part of the word is dear. It's spelled different than when you write a greeting like dear students. It's spelled different but pronounced the same, and it's kind of just the word ear but with a D in the front. Deer, reindeer. And the plural is also reindeer. So not reindeers, but reindeer. Okay, I'm going to give you a tongue twister now to practice the pronunciation of both the R sound as well as the word reindeer. Let's go. Red reindeer run right around the water. 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 I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you did, and consider subscribing, and come back tomorrow for the second of 12 days of Christmas. Bye!